How do you apply them? So let's start with the mycorrhizae. How do you apply mycorrhizae? Really, you want to get, what we're selling are spores of the mycorrhizal fungi. So when the spore touches the root, you get a little hyphal tip that's released. It goes into the root and actually into the root cells themselves. Like I said, the spores of that are what we're selling, and once that touches your root, it creates this mycelial network that goes out and scours the soil. So you can sprinkle it on seeds in terms of great white. You can dip your cuttings in it. You can dip your transplants in it. You can mix it into your reservoir. You can water it in. You can, like I already said this, but you can really like sprinkle the powder right on the transplants. So trying to read your questions, trying to stay on track. Yeah, king crab, just add it to your regular feed. It's a probiotic. So it's like you taking a probiotic, you eat your food, you eat your breakfast, you drink your coffee. Same thing with the king crab. Just add it to, you can add it to straight water, you can add it to your feed, however you want to do it. You can add it to your cloning machine. Same thing with orca, just get the liquid onto the root system, water it into your plants, sprinkle it into your cloning machines. Just get it into your hydro setup, put it in your reservoir, let it drip out. And like I said, you can't use too much of this stuff. It's biology, it's a probiotic. If the plant doesn't use it, it basically dies. The bodies of the bacteria themselves, they die, they break down into their constituent minerals and molecules, and then they feed the plant. You can't burn your plants with any of the biological products. With the mycochum, you can burn your plants because that's a straight fertilizer that doesn't have biology, so just watch it there. Application, just get it into your root system. Same thing with the king crab. King crab, just add it to your feed. It's a probiotic. Add it to your water, add it to anything that's getting into your root zone, your reservoir. So that's application. It's pretty simple. Can't burn your plants, get some down in there. It's basically an instant compost tea.